Good morning. Happy Tuesday, I think. But yeah, let's get into it. Just finished with a quick little workout. I threw on some makeup, just an eye look, just to have some fun. Not sure how I'm feeling about it. Let me know down below. I'm gonna go eat breakfast. Oh, hello. Oh, your bed moved, buddy. There's the other one. Hi, Sienna. Why did your bed move so far? This is the front. It's supposed to be like that. Bud, how did you move it? Do you want some food? Okay, let's go get some breakfast. Welcome to my kitchen. I want to make breakfast. Fast forward now. Okay, I have me some mango. It took me a minute to cut it up, but it tastes amazing. I already tried some, so I'm gonna eat that. And then I have me some cream of wheat. It's just some brown sugar cream of wheat. So yeah, I'm going to watch some Netflix and enjoy this. Bye-bye. Hi. My cats are meowing in the background, don't mind that. I'm going to make coffee. Hi. I'm gonna make coffee with this thing because coffee is amazing. Hi. What's up? Oh, that was cute. We're teaching them how to say hello since they mimic, well, at least our cats, they mimic humans in a way, or their owners, and we say hello to them a lot and they're catching on. Do you want to say hi? You want to say hi? Hi. Oh. Okay, the coffee is brewing now, and also look how tiny this is. It's a tiny coffee pot. It's so small. Anyhow, while that's brewing, I'm going to watch some more Netflix. Okay. Oh dear. Don't spill, please. Oh dear. That's great. Getting me some coffee cake that I made the other day to go along with my coffee. I need both hands. Do I need both hands? Nope, nope. I think it. Oh dear. Do I get a second piece? I don't know. Anyhow, here is the footage of me making this right here. Hello, so I'm going to make coffee cake. It is currently almost 11 p.m. But I really want some coffee cake. They are in. Yummy. Oh, snooze, snooze, snooze. Buddy. Bud. No. Was this you? No. No. Can you say goodbye? Can you say goodbye? Can you say goodbye? No. Okay, I'm gonna go throw this away now. R.I.P. Okay, this is the same toy, just newer in a different color. Here you go. Don't tear it up. Hello. Good day. Anyhow, my cats are playing over there, so don't mind that. But I got a box. I've been waiting for this box. Well, ish. I ordered it a bit ago, and it was delayed going out. Like it hadn't been shipped yet because of, it's a non-emergent, non-essential item. However, when it shipped, it said it's like, oh, it's gonna arrive in like a week or whatever. But no, it arrived in like a day and a half. And it happened with my last package too. It was like delayed to ship. but then the second it was shipped, it arrived instantly, and I'm like, whoa. So yeah, I'm actually really happy. I feel bad because I'm like, other people need stuff. This is a non-essential item, so anyhow, I'm gonna open it. But yeah, let's get into it. The table, please. Yes, this is a box. No, this will hurt. No, can you get down? Yes, I know it's a dangerous item. I'm not doing it correctly, but I don't want to hurt you. Buddy. No. Do you want to smell? You want to smell? Okay, now that you smelled it, can you leave me alone? Down. Nope, that is my coffee. We're working on it, okay? I have like cutout things. That's cute for like little kids. Fun fact, my family, we love like outdoorsy things and whatnot, and we specifically love cast iron pans, and I naturally just bought a mini cast iron pan. It's by the actual Lodge brand, but it's so tiny and cute. But the main thing in this box is this. They work great. I am so happy. Hi. Sienna, can you please not? I want to make some potatoes because I'm in Idaho. So naturally, I'm going to have potatoes for dinner. Yes. But I don't know exactly what I'm doing since I have these ones right here, the petite, just red potatoes. But I want to make those another night since I have some carrots and some celery I can cut up and an onion. I can put them in the oven and kind of make roast veggies and do that sort of things. However, I kind of want French fries, like crispier ones. So I have bigger potatoes, only 3 of them. It's only gonna be for me, unless my brother wants some, but I'm gonna make some potatoes. I don't have a recipe I'm going by. I'm just gonna kind of eyeball it since typically with a recipe it's like, oh, put it in for this long until it looks like this. So I'm gonna put it in at a lower temperature than I feel like most, since I feel like it's like, with roasted carrots, I put it in for like 475 or 425 or somewhere around there for carrots, and carrots are not as like dense as potatoes or like equally. But I know potatoes you put it in for like an hour, and carrots you put it in a little less. So I think I want to do 400 just for longer. Since I'm going to be cutting it up, it's not going to be whole potato. I'm going to season it. I'm just going to be eyeballing it. If it isn't going the way I like it, I have ideas on how to make it go the way I want it to. I don't exactly have an end goal. I'm just going to cut them up, oil them, season them, put them on a pan, and put them in the oven until they look crispy. And maybe you could dip them in like ketchup or something. I don't know. You'll find out before I do. Bye. Okay, so they took a little bit of effort, let's put it that way. I forgot that you have to peel potatoes, which is kind of important. I ended up using coconut oil instead of regular, like olive oil or something, because I didn't have it, which it's fine, it's what I have. So I just put some salt, pepper, some garlic powder, a little bit of seasonal, just a little bit, just for some extra flavor. But yeah, I hope they turn out good. I'm putting them in at 425 and kind of just gonna eyeball it from there. I'll let you know at the end. So yeah. So sadly, I ate about 1 or 2 of the fries and they were bitter, which means they are not good, and can make you sick. So I'm not going to eat the rest, sadly. Just didn't get to them soon enough. So yeah, I'm going to make just some Eggos waffle things for dinner instead. But yeah, you know, it was a learning experience. There was no way I could tell if they were bad or not, since you can't exactly eat them raw. So yeah, oh well, I have mini potatoes I can cook tomorrow. So yeah. It's 1 in the morning. Yes, and? You should go to sleep. Why? Because you need sleep. I'm not tired. Just go to bed, it's simple. I will sleep at 4 a.m. Lily? 4 a.m. seems like a reasonable time. That's when morning people wake up. Oh. See, just go to sleep. I will stay awake all night, and tomorrow at 1 a.m. I will sleep. Why? Just why? I am simply not tired. You will be tired come tomorrow at like 2 p.m. I'll just take a nap. No. Drink a cup of coffee. What? You are missing the point. That I will be tired if I don't sleep. Solution. Drink coffee or take a nap. Why not both? I give up. I want a snack. No, it'll keep you awake. Isn't that the point? Please don't. I need to sleep. Oops. Aren't you bored of this? Why do you think I'm eating? Oh, eating out of boredom? Makes sense. Yes. Don't you have something else to do besides snack and watch Netflix? Yes, I do. What then? Write a script and film it. Then edit it.